Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com. Today is Saturday, 9 p.m. 9:30 p.m. I'm making this video about gold. So let's get started. Yes, tomorrow the market will reopen and we will have as the first week of the new year. Happy New Year to all of you. All right, so this is the monthly chart, just a little bit like an outline of what is really happening on a bigger picture. This is wave 3, big wave 3, big wave 4, black count, and wave 5 should be ending here. Wave 5 also will have 5 waves. So out of that, we have 1, ABC 2, 3, ABC 4. Then wave 5 is underway of wave 5. Out of that, we had this black little count, 1, 2, 3. Now, when we were there at this point, then I made this chart. Let me show you that this is what's going to happen. See that on the top? So wave 3. So that little black count, 1, 2, and 3. These 3 subwaves, 1, 2, 3, ABC 4, 5. The wave 3 ended here, and I said, well, we'll drop for wave 4. Now, wave 4 is, I always tell you guys, right? So wave 4 is the most complicated and nasty wave of all. Very, very difficult to trade. One should avoid it, but if you know exactly what you're doing, then you can trade. Yeah, especially if it is on a bigger time frame, then even the small move, right? It shows like a trend on the smaller time frame, right? So this is a weekly chart wave 4, so you can easily trade on, like take in consideration a 4-hour chart and then maybe entries from 5-minute chart or my 15 20-minute chart as well, right? So from there, what happened to this chart? Let me show you that it dropped, right? And that was November last year. So I made this chart then. I made this drawing, right? Yellow and blue drawing. So it says A, and then I said, well, wave 4 will come in 3 waves, and it should be equal or maybe a little bit bigger than wave 2. A little bit, or even sometimes a lot bigger than wave 2. But the idea is 99%, well, 90% of the time, it is at least equal to wave 2, which is not at this point. So I said, well, wave A, B, C, in this fashion, it will come here in this direction. So from here on, let's take a look what happened really. This is the weekly chart as of today. This is what happened, right? So we went up, then down and up, and then we got screwed up here, right? So this is exactly what happened. And when I made the 4-hour chart, I wrote down there that this is where 4 that we are falling into, and very, very careful. Be very careful. Let me show you that chart there that I was talking about. So this one, no, not this one. When it fall, I made the chart that okay, this is the chart that the move down, downside move was wave A. Then we're supposed to be going for wave B to 61%, and then wave C to the downside. So this is one of the charts that I made on November, and then a lot of charts I made, but I'm gonna just show you one. This one. So we went up, we came down, and it says, well, this is not wave, B, right? ABC correction of wave 4. So it started to go sideways. That's where I says, look, the price in wave 4, and then need to be very careful. So I was expecting that it's going to go up one more time for wave B and then come down. So watch what happened to this chart, and it start to go up there, right? And then a little more. And then this is where I made the chart that just 27.21 might stop it, and then we should go down. And then we start to come down and down. Now we went down even more up until here, and then we start to retrace this down move. Let's go take a look at the current chart now. So what's happening? A 4-hour chart, current chart is this. So this is the move that you saw, the down move. So it came down here, right? Exactly into this area to 2605, 2603, even 2586. It came down as like this one here. See, that's 2589. So it came down and then it bounced. So we have like A, B, and the C is underway, right? Now this small C, either it is finished and then we are turning to the downside, or I think that the danger is that it has not touched the 61%. So it might go up first to touch the 61% or even 78% to this high. As long as we stay below this high, we're going to make the turn to the downside again. So 26.85, that's my stance. Maybe you go up all the way, but this is what I think, right? So first thing first, let's see if we can drop below this number. We are already below this number. We are at this number. If this is 26.43, so we went down below, and this is 26.38. On my Telegram, I showed it and I posted there that, go short. I'm selling gold at 26.55, and then I closed it, and I post the message there that I'm closing at 26.43 from 55 to 43, and then I close. So this is where we are now, right? Why? Because it's now it's a game that it can anything can happen. It might go up to touch the 61% or even 78%, or might drop straight down. Right? This is therefore be very careful. The key number is to 26.43. As long as we stay below 26.43, we may be going down. As soon as we go to the upside, look for this number for the target. At least 26.85 will go, right? And then we will come down. Need to come down, definitely, right? But maybe not. It's a new year. Trump is going to be in the office soon, and he has that magic wand. Remember? So from last time, so a lot can happen. But step by step, pay very close attention to these highs and lows, and you can catch very, very. For example, let me show you if I have it open. I don't know if I have it open. For example, this trade here. See, this is how beautiful this is moving in between the levels, right? It went bounced from this level, 206. 2603, went straight up to this 2618, drop here to 2605, then straight up to this number 24. Then we wobbling here and then break above this and then straight up to 2638. Right, and similarly, let me see where the heck my gold trade was. It is right now. Let me quickly get that. Oops, not this one. I had it open, but I think I closed it accidentally. The last one. Oh, the last one, I don't have it, but let me show you the, yeah, I forgot. I just closed the trade. I forgot to record it. But let me show you which one was that. I posted that I'm shorting 26.55, right? So it went up a little bit here. I showed it here, but it went up here. I didn't put the SL or anything. I wanted to see that, I was pretty sure that it's going to drop. So it did from here all the way, and then I closed right here, 26.43. Went down a little bit more, but who cares, right? So this is how these levels are very, very important that you draw these on your time frame, and then you see the magic is happening. Right, so make the bottom line 26.34 and 26.43. Which way we go? We stay below, and then you find your entry, and then going down, we're going down. Maybe 26.86, 25.86, sorry. Right, 26.85 is right there. If you go to the upside, this would be the target, right? So this is how it is. I'm making some more charts, for my subscribers, like this one. You can see here, nice and clean, that this is the short that I did between below 26.58 and take it to 26.43, and the market close. It may bounce from here. It's a very good long setup on a $500 size chart, like a 4-hour chart, right? So not even 4-hour chart, 1-hour chart. So let's see what happens, right? So this is the key chart. Pay attention to this chart and these SNR numbers. Draw these numbers on your smaller time frame like this one to see what's exactly happening. And my entry chart is this. So if I have a reversal candle here, for example, a bullish reversal candle, then I will immediately go here and then look for long entry, then take that and then bypass this and go there, because gold also have a daily range, right? So you gotta keep that in mind, under consideration, that how much the daily range is already done and how much is left. So from your entry, count how much is left, and then you go for that much, right? If you hold beyond that, you may get lucky, but most of the time it will retrace. Okay, so this is how the gold is doing. Everything else, I will do the webinar tomorrow for my subscribers. If you want to join, if you want to learn, I made a lot of 4-hour charts, 40-minute chart, by the way, nice, good setups for different pairs, right? and NASDAQ and all of that. So, and I'll be explaining that in my webinar tomorrow. So if you want to be a part of that, go on my website, sign up, and then take it from there. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later. And very, very happy New Year, and a very prosperous the first week of the new year. Let's see how the market opens up tomorrow, and then how we go from there. Right. Things might be very, very different than we are expecting, but this is how the beginning of the year that happens, right? Especially when we're expecting Trump is coming in the office soon, right? All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get my videos on time.